Hi, I'm Veena. Today we are going to make another popular dish, and that is the Sindhi version of Aloo Mutter, what we call peas patata, a simple, easy to make and tasty dish. So now let's look at what goes into making peas patata. 1 bowl of green peas, 2 medium-sized or 1 large potato peeled and chopped, 3 medium-sized tomatoes grated or pureed, green chillies 2 to 3, 1.5 inch piece ginger finely chopped, 8 to 10 curry leaves, a few leaves of coriander or kothmeer finely chopped, oil for cooking, and dry spices, red chilli powder, cumin powder or jeera powder, dhania powder, turmeric or haldi, and jeera seeds, salt to taste, and water for the gravy. The first step for making peas patata is to boil the green peas. So I have placed them in this pan and I am going to add some water. The water should be about half an inch above the peas. I am now going to put the peas on the flame to boil. And now we'll start the other process. I am now going to place this thick kadai on the gas. You can also make peas patata in a pan, on a thick bottom pan. I'm adding 3 spoons of oil here on this pan and I'll allow it to get hot. I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera, the green chillies, ginger, and the curry leaves. I'm going to toss these around for a minute or two so that the spices are nicely cooked. Now that they are, I'm going to add the potatoes. Turning around the potatoes and sauteing them for about 5 minutes. Keep stirring the potatoes so that they don't stick to the kadai. The aloo now seem to be done, so I'm going to add the grated tomatoes. I'm now going to add the spices, half teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder. We mix this well and allow it to cook for a few minutes while we keep turning it. While the aloos are cooking, I'm just going to take a look to see if our peas are boiled. Yes, they are almost done. So I'm going to now remove the peas from the water. We are going to keep mixing this for a few minutes so that the peas can also get in the flavors of the spices and the tomato. I'm now going to add salt and half of the coriander leaves and mix it all well again. We need to get all the flavors of the spices and the vegetables in the tomato and peas and potato. So what we are going to do is stir it for a few more minutes on low flame. Our peas patata is almost done now. So the last stage that we'll do is to put the water in which we had boiled the peas. I'm going to add that to the mixture being cooked to make the gravy. And I will now cover the kadai and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes so that we have a rich gravy ready. As you would see, I have added water which was left over from boiling the peas to make the gravy. In case you like your gravy to be a little thinner, you could put an additional half cup of water. It's been about 20 minutes since we started making peas patata, and I'm going to check if the aloo and the mutter are done. What I'm going to do is put a knife through the aloo, and if it goes in smoothly, it's done, which is what you can see. I'm also going to put the knife through 1 or 2 grains of peas. That's also done. So our dish is ready now to serve. So I'm going to put them out in this serving bowl. Just garnish your serving dish with a little bit of coriander leaves, and the peas patata is now ready to serve. We serve it with hot chapatis, sometimes pav bread, or even jawari roti.
We've got loads more for you, so subscribe to this channel and ping us at food@pingnetwork.in to tell us what you would like to see here.